Have you ever questioned whether you're getting the full value from your video surveillance system? Maybe you have new high-tech cameras, and you only use them when you need to go back and search for something that already happened. Yet you want to see things as they are happening in real time. Or maybe your smart camera sends too many false alarms triggered by trees moving in the wind or shadows. Many smart cameras today even send your video or audio streams to the cloud analysis, mining it for marketing purposes and even exposing your private data to unauthorized parties. Such smart devices in fact aren't smart. Other providers rely on massive cloud data centers or even humans to monitor through streams and audio data, and they bill you for it. Meet Sound Event Detector, SED, from company Jalud Embedded. SED uses machine learning algorithms to identify specific sounds, such as gunshots, and can alert authorities in real time when these sounds are detected. This allows for a quicker response to dangerous situations, potentially helping to prevent crimes before they occur. One of the key benefits of the Sound Event Detector is its portability. It runs on batteries, so it can be easily installed in a variety of locations, such as on public lights or other indoor-outdoor infrastructure. Additionally, the device processes sound directly in the device, which helps protect the privacy of individuals in the area. Not only can a sound event detector aid in crime prevention, it can also reduce false alarms and improve the efficiency of rescue services by providing real-time information about the location and nature of an emergency. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in a sound event detector today and take an important step towards creating a safer community.